In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OpenSSL on Windows 10. The first and easiest way is to use the built-in Windows Package Manager, which provides a command line tool called Wingit for installing applications on Windows devices. First, search for the OpenSSL package, then install it as needed. By default, you'll need to navigate to the installation folder to run OpenSSL. To run it from anywhere, you should add the installation path to the system's environment variables. Once that's done, as you can see, we can run OpenSSL from any location without manually navigating to the install folder. The second method is downloading and installing OpenSSL manually from this website. Don't forget to update the path environment variable so you can run OpenSSL from anywhere. The last method is to use the portable Git package, which includes OpenSSL. Just add the path to the portable Git folder to the environment variables, and you'll be able to run OpenSSL without installing anything directly on your computer. Sometimes, when launching the Windows Package Manager, you might encounter an error. To fix this, you'll need to update the Microsoft Store in the App Installer. The Windows Package Manager Wing It command line tool is part of the App Installer, so make sure you have the latest version. As you can see, once everything is updated, the error is resolved, and we can use the Wing It command to install apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.